Maybe you've got the time and energy to start a new business, but you're stuck for ideas that are both easy to begin and scale up. If that sounds like you, keep listening to figure out which markets are about to boom in the near future, and that'll help you earn massive amounts of money with minimal effort. In this video, we're giving you a roundup of the top 9 small business ideas for 2021. Make sure you stick till the end, and let's begin. Number 9, co-working spaces. Co-working spaces have been the next big thing ever since the start of the pandemic. A lot of people just don't want to be cooped up in their homes all day long and really miss the change of routine that comes with getting out of your house and going to work every single day. This makes a co-working space a brilliant option for people working from home to get out and refresh their minds. And with extra perks like normal office facilities, fast Wi-Fi, and a constant supply of refreshments, what's not to like? Co-working spaces are a rapidly growing market, with WeWork having made a staggering $3 billion in revenue in the past year. Recent models also come with added benefits like a yoga program or on-site childcare. Whether you're in a big city or a small town, there's a good chance there are people near you looking for an office space, so you can rent an apartment and get to work. Number 8, posture corrector. Another idea that has great potential to take off right now is a posture corrector business. If you're watching this video, chances are you're currently hunched over your laptop or phone screen right now. Bad posture is a serious problem, with about a quarter of Americans suffering from back pain at least once during a 3-month period. And this means there are tons of people out there working on improving this aspect of themselves. And you can make money by giving them just what they need, a good posture corrector. And each one has its own pros and cons. For example, the Evoke Pro A300 with Velcro straps can be worn over or under clothing, while the Upright Go vibrates whenever you're caught slackening. Whichever one you pick, there's already a decent demand for it, so all that's left is for you to market your business well and watch the cash flow in. Number 7, fitness tech. Fitness tech is another rapidly growing industry, expected to reach a total revenue exceeding $20 billion by the end of this year. This is a massive category, encompassing all sorts of apps like those for running, swimming, cycling, yoga, or meal plans. Lots of regular gym goers have been choosing to get fit from home. And even after lockdown restrictions ease, the future of this industry is likely to be hybrid, involving workouts both at the gym and at home. Combine that with the progress of wearable tech and AI, and you've got a great business idea on your hands. In fact, you don't even have to dive right into developing your own app, which requires money and effort. You can start off as a virtual fitness coach, sending your clients personalized exercise plans to suit their needs, until you find a steady footing in the industry, and you can only go up from there. Number 6, men's cosmetics. From oils to balms, scrubs, and moisturizers, there's dozens of beard grooming products out there for men who want to look their best. And with 39% of American men having beards that need to be taken care of using various different types of products, this is a massive market that you can immediately tap into. And once you get started, it's very easy to keep developing more products and keep building your business, say by starting a new line of all-natural beard washes or high-power trimmers. The sky's the limit. The cosmetics industry is already a worldwide phenomenon, and it keeps on growing. So as long as you've got some creativity and good marketing skills, this is an excellent way to make more money. Number 5, food truck. When you've just stepped out of work and your stomach's being ravaged, the sight of a food truck on the street is almost like seeing God. Whether you tend to go for a stoned baked pizza or some classic mac and cheese, this convenient fast food option has likely saved your life a few times. After all, who doesn't love food? And it's much safer than starting a whole new restaurant, considering that comes with a failure rate of nearly 90%. So if you can still start a food-related business while having a pretty good shot at making money, go for it. Food trucks are really easy to set up, and if you're bored of your current street, just jump in and take your burritos wherever you want to go. But no matter where you're parked, people will definitely come flooding in. Number 4, healthy fast food. More and more people have started focusing on what they put into their bodies. As a result, you've got a wide range of diets out there that you can cater to, from vegan to paleo to gluten-free. Most food of this type usually requires careful preparation when you've got plenty of time and a fridge stocked full of all the correct groceries. People who go through all this think the hassle is worth it for the health benefits, but what happens when you don't have access to your kitchen? Because the truth is, there aren't many options for healthy eaters to eat on the go. especially once you've got McDonald's out of the picture. So this leaves another prime market that can be yours for the taking: healthy fast food. Open a joint at a gas station or an airport, and healthy eaters will be overjoyed, which means more money for you and a business that has great potential to grow. Number 3, reusable bags. You've probably paid a couple cents at your nearest grocery store to get your stuff in a bag, if you're living in a state that's banned plastic bags. Think of all the people who have ever visited that grocery store, and that's all the people you can market your product towards, making them future customers. As the world is heading towards a more eco-friendly, sustainable way of life, plastic has been public enemy number 1. Just think of all the buzz you've seen around paper or metal straws recently. That's the kind of hype just waiting to build up around reusable bags, making this an excellent business opportunity. And there are tons of ways in which you can customize your bags, depending on who you want to appeal to. Extra large ones for the family shopper, or stylish designs for younger people. There's a lot of room for you to exercise your creative chops and make your business the next big thing. Number 2, smart apparel. How do you know if an industry is worth working in? Well, maybe if Google and Samsung are doing big things in it. This is definitely true for smart apparel, or clothes that are somehow integrated with technology. Google launched its own smart jacket. Wear it, and you can interact with your apps or even dismiss phone calls without having to reach for your phone. And the South Korean giant has come up with a smart workout shirt, golf shirt, and an NFC suit. This industry is growing fast ever since it came up in 2015. And although it still has some way to go, this makes it the prime candidate for you to start your own business so you can ride the wave once it arrives. Think of a vest you can wear to help lose weight, or a cap to wirelessly monitor your baby's vitals. If you can come up with a cool idea like this, then the money's yours for the taking. And number 1, travel consulting. If none of these ideas were quite up your alley, then keep listening for something you can start next week or even tomorrow. This is another amazing market you can start your business in, even though it's slightly more competitive. If you regularly use a credit card, then you've probably accumulated a good number of travel miles you can use to go anywhere in the world. But let's say you aren't looking to travel anytime in the near future. This is when travel consulting kicks in, by connecting people with extra miles to people who want to travel for cheap. It's effortless and extremely easy to set up, and depending on your social circle, you might already know a bunch of people either willing to give away their miles or looking for the cheapest airline tickets. This is serious money-making potential, just waiting to be tapped into, and soon, you'll see yourself making big bucks.